On this project, what we're doing is we're setting our grades right now. We've set some of the hardscape elements up as far as our dry stacked wall up there, our boulder walls. And you can see that we've started to terrace down the landscape. The house is set up a lot higher than the backyard, so what we have to do is transition from the backyard down into the landscape. And we've got this great patio space here where we've done these pavers. And we've also going to have a water feature that comes down that side hill and cascades down and around the patio space and continues into the backyard. It's really important to get grades set properly, and this goes back to design, and we always push design, 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 because it's so important to really think through all these spaces and all these elevations before you start digging into the dirt and getting yourself into trouble. So you just really need to think through, okay, where's the driveway set at? Where's the front entry set at? How is that all going to drain away from the house? How are the back patios going to relate to the back doorway? All those aspects, you know, when we do a lot of pool decks, we have to worry about drainage so the water doesn't drain into the pool. You know, there's just a lot of things that we take into account as we do the design work, and that's once again, plan before you start digging around and getting yourself into trouble. Well, on the grading and contouring end of it, we really want to bring in good topsoil, good amended topsoil. We want to give our plants as much of a fighting chance as possible. It's a little tough in Utah. You know, we're high plains desert, and it's a little tough to get things to grow here sometimes. So you really want to give them as good a head start as possible. So we always recommend you bring in the best topsoil you can as far as amended topsoil. So what we have here is a great example of a native soil. We're actually up in Park City, and the soil up here, as you can see on this property in general, is really kind of rocky, and it doesn't lend itself to great planting base for our plant material. So what I wanted to show you is the amended soil that we've brought in here. This is what's going to be great for our plant life, our trees, our shrubs, and just the overall health of even your lawn and your landscape. One thing that's great about having grade changes in your landscape is it really gives you the flexibility to do a lot of neat things as far as different terraces, different experiences, and breaking those things up with plant material and things really end up with a great end result.